Now, with pods deployed and templates and categories assigned, let's take a look at the data. From the Monitor menu, select Availability to view pod statuses and the current versions of firmware that they are currently running. Under the Deployment tab, you're able to manage or enable any Mersive subscription services like Solstice Conference or Active Learning. From here, you can also quickly see if your pods are on the latest version of firmware, and if you need to, you can go straight to the Updates menu from here. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the list of all of your pods and all the details associated with them. You can easily select which columns to show by clicking Manage Columns. In our case, I'll remove SDS Host 2 and tags from this view, and under each pod individually, if you ever have to remove a pod from your account, you'll do that here under Edit. And the final section in the Monitor menu is Alert Configuration. Here you can have emails sent to you if a pod goes offline for a certain period of time, if a pod is rebooted, or if it's unassigned from a template. You can also filter any of these alerts by the categories we've created. Usage data is available under the Analytics section of the menu. Solstice Pods regularly collect data on the collaboration spaces where they're deployed. Solstice Cloud gathers this data for all the pods in the organization's account, and this information can be viewed and plotted over time using Solstice Cloud's analytics pages. The Usage page provides a graph of a pod usage history. Up to 2 types of analytics data can be displayed simultaneously on the graph, selected using the graph drop-downs and measured in 2, 7, 30, and 90 days or within a custom range. The Compare page provides a graph of pod usage based on the categories and options you select. When specifying the category, you can additionally select any or all of the options contained within that category. And the In-Room Tech page displays data about the types of user devices that are connecting to your pods and the method that those devices are using to share content. For pods that are being used for video conferencing, this page displays data about the number of in-person meetings as well as the number of meetings with a web conference, shown as proximate meetings versus hybrid meetings, respectively. Additionally, Solstice Cloud can capture data around which video conferencing platforms are being used, like Zoom or Teams, for instance.